Hey guys, it's Annie here. Welcome back to my channel. Halloween's coming up, so I want to show you guys how I did my avocado toast family costume last year. I used a t-shirt for my template and just drew its rough shape on a piece of fabric. I got this off of Amazon and it's in a light brown color. And then you want to cut around the edges. You don't have to do this perfectly. You won't see it in the finished product. And then you just want to sew all around the edges and flip it inside out. To make the toast look a little bit more realistic, I want to paint the edges a brown color. And here I'm using acrylic paint and a sponge. So I'm just applying a majority of the color around the edges, and then I'm dragging it to the center to give it a more natural look. For my butter cubes, I'm using a bib that I've literally never used on Knox, so it's kind of just lying around, and I'm cutting it into little rectangular shapes. You want to turn the wrong sides out and then stitch all around. Flip this inside out, and you want to hand sew the edge to finish it off. And I used some yellow acrylic paint and then just painted these squares yellow for the butter cubes. I left these to dry overnight, and the next day you can just pin it onto your shirt with little clips, and you can wear it out as a costume. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you guys next time.